Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about else if statements. Now, last episode we learned about else statements. This episode we're learning about else if statements. Now, just a quick recap on if statements in general and what we've learned so far. If statements test a condition. Else statements will be invoked if the if statement above does not work, or the condition is not met, and it's basically the default outcome. So let's get into it. What if you want to test more than one condition? Right? You have this if statement and you want to test if a is equal to 1, but you also want to test if a is equal to 2. Else if a is equal to 2, then we're gonna system.out.println it is 2. And now, if we run it, it'll say it is 2. If we change this to 1, it will print out it is 1. Now, just like else statements, if this first if statement is true, then it's not going to even test this else statement. However, if this else statement is true, then anything below this else statement wouldn't be ran. Now, we can of course put in that default statement that we put in the last video, the else statement. So else system.out.print it is neither 1 nor 2. I don't know if that comma goes there. Whatever, I'm not very good at grammars with comma. Alright, let's run it. It says it is 1 because integer a is 1. Right? If we change this to 2, it'll say integer, or it is 2 because the integer is 2. However, if we set this to 3 and we run it, it'll say it is neither 1 nor 2 because it is 3. If we set it to 5, it'll still say that same thing simply because it is neither. It tested both if statements. The conditions were not met, and so by default it said since neither of them worked, we'll just do whatever's inside of this else statement. And even if we just do like 5, 50, 1,000, it'll still say it is neither 1 nor 2. That's all for else if statements. Next video we'll be getting into something a little more interesting, and stick with this tutorial series if you like it, and just make sure that you keep on coding. Now, just one suggestion, or just one key piece of information. If you're having fun, that's great. If you do feel like this is a little boring, don't worry. Once you get into the more complicated parts of coding, it gets a lot more fun. This stuff, it is a little tedious, but once you push past that beginning part, really starts to get fun, especially if you start to code your own things. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. See ya. Have a good day.